Warning, the following video features stunts performed either by professionals or under the supervision of professionals. Accordingly, Joey and the producers must insist that no one attempt to recreate or reenact any stunt or activity performed on this show.
What's good, y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and today, as you guys can see, we are up in the M2. It is currently raining out. I've been getting a lot better at sliding the car, and I think that's what I'm gonna go do. I am gonna be just doing a nice POV drive in the rain, along with possibly sliding around. So if we find any corners that we can bend, or find any parking lots that we can spin, then I will definitely be doing that. But as of right now, I'm just gonna hop out of the car, show you guys what the car is looking like. And yeah, just so you guys know, we got some merch dropping on Adrenaline Head, man. Yeah, big puffer jackets on the way, man, or bomber jacket, whatever you wanna call this. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. So yeah, this is what we're rocking out with today, man. Gotta be a little bit quiet because all the neighbors are home. But as you can see, I got a freshly cleaned M2. Oh wait, let me turn the front headlight off. I have a freshly cleaned M2 that's already getting dirty, but it's all good because I'll probably just tough it out and clean it again tomorrow in the cold, because I mean, man, I love having a clean car. I don't know about you guys. So yeah, look at it, we're up in the rain. We're in this beautiful G87 M2 that is completely stock other than being lowered and on spacers. I did do a single mid pipe. If you guys didn't check it out yet, make sure you guys go look at my last video, and I have the whole installation video on the Alibaba mid pipe. So you guys definitely should go check it out. It's definitely worth it. Let me get this thumbnail. But yeah, let's go ahead, hop right into it. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys how much better I have been getting at driving the car, because a lot of you guys were hating on me, saying that I'm a bad driver, this and that, even on Instagram. But I'm here to show you that I'm not bad at driving. It's literally like some clips just look bad, but I'm gonna show you right now. So I just wanted to say real quick, guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers and I could not be happier. I think we're at 1,010 right now, actually. So I just want to say thank you guys so much. I really cannot believe that we hit that, and I'm ready to go make the next 100,000 happen, like no cap. I'm really ready to take over this YouTube space and really show you guys what I have to offer. Man, I'm just really thankful. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit the sub button, the like button, and as always, man, let me know what you guys would like to see down below. I will always check out the comments. I always respond, and I will always take what you guys have to say into consideration for what type of content you want to see. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop up into this V. I'm not gonna lie, right now my power went out from the rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the car out and enjoy my nice little drive. Grip up really well in the rain, I'm not gonna lie. You guys hear the pop? Crazy. Okay, that one was a little bit chopped. That corner, I won't lie, that one was a little chopped. I didn't catch the fucking wheel. Car sounds great though. Like, could not be happier with how the sound has turned out. Shout out to my guy Amp for helping me out with the sound. It would have not been possible without him, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I probably could have made it happen, but he has like a lot of the good tools and stuff that I don't have. So at least wouldn't be happening for a while, you know what I mean? Bro, this thing spins like a motherfucker. I am trying to get better with the drifting stuff though, so it's just gonna take time. So I'm sorry if it does look stupid. I don't mean for it to, but at the same time, I'm just learning. And I'm learning on, okay. And I'm learning on a very twitchy car. I never did any of this type of driving in the M4 for the whole time that I've had it, because that's the baby. Yeah, that one has had like too many other things happen to it that were acts of God. So you know, it wasn't anything that I could have prevented accident wise, so I just like keeping that thing nice. But I got this one to drive, no bullshit, because I know that this new 2024 and on are really capable of capable of driving and being reliable. So car sounds pretty good though, y'all, right? Having a great day, even though it's rainy out. I'm still in this beautiful burbling machine. Listen to that. But yeah, pretty much it sounds really good. I'll throw some exhaust clips in right now because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get them in the rain today. But yeah, I'll throw some exhaust clips in of it revving and stuff like. Or actually, I'll rev it when I'm gonna rev it in a little bit, but I'll still throw some clips in. Sounds fucking insane, mate. Are you mad? Are you a mad lad or are you a normal one? Oh my god, this road is so fucked up. Oh my goodness, dude. Like, I actually complain about this road, I think, every single time I'm on it, and I don't mean to be complaining, because I'm very grateful to have a road that is as twisty and windy as this, but geez Louise, does this shit get fucking bumpy? Like, seriously. Should I get a picture right here? While we are at this stoplight, I just want to go ahead and say, if you guys haven't already, please make sure you open up your heart to God. When you open up your heart to God, he will open up his to you. And with that being said, I think it's very important that we get God back in our life. I feel like God is something that we are starting to lose a lot of in this world, more godly people. And I think that if we have more of these types of people, we'll have a very, very successful society and whole world as a whole, man. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead, hop back into this. But yeah, let's just go ahead and appreciate all of this beautiful scenery that God has given us. not any materialistic item. I don't want you guys to get trapped in the sense of materialism, but like as in the whole world. Even though it's raining, I'm still out enjoying this rain because God has given me this day to work with. So I will in fact work with this day. I hope that some of the stuff that I can say can resonate with some of you guys. I've been starting to get closer with God in the last like year and a half, 2 years, and it's very awesome to see my relationship with God unfold the way that it has, and I'm very happy that it has and it continues to do so. So with that being said, keep God in your life. Let's get to this little parking lot. Hopefully there won't be anybody working, because if there is, I might be chopped, but maybe I can get a few slides in, you know what I'm saying? All right, we're gonna see if they got one here at this gas station. Hopefully they do. Hopefully, mate, yeah, they do. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at this out here. This road is so cool looking, bro. I'm sorry I'm being so quiet. I'm just trying, kind of like taking it in. I'm on like this deserted road. We almost exit that bitch, bro. Yes, sir. I told you though, I'm getting better. As the days go on, man, I'm getting better and better. Oh, we're gripping. I came in with a cool 100, and I got some bitches calling. Woo, woo, and I got some bitches calling. Woo, woo, woo. All right, yo. Anyway, what's good with y'all, man? We're back with another segment because now it's just the next day. It's not another video. It's just the next day. I'm picking up James right now. We're gonna go handle some business, and then after we handle our business, we're gonna go find some cool spots so I can go slide around at, because it's another rainy day. And I'll get some good POV content too from his POV, because yesterday was all POV downwards, like from my angle, you know what I'm saying? And now it's gonna be from his angle in the POV section. Yeah, next video, you guys stay tuned. We're gonna be linking up with a homie with an X3M competition. And well, it's an X3M, but it's pretty much a comp because It's like 700 horsepower, bro. It's fucking nasty. It's a real mad lad roadman's whip. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, with that being said, we're just gonna go ahead, hop up into this crazy driving on this beautiful foggy day that God has created for us. Because again, as you guys heard earlier in the video, keep God close, man. Because for days like these, like even though it could be considered a shitty day, it's not a shitty day, man. Look, we got that boy James pulling up in the motherfucking whip, bro.
I was too fucked up about it. They can say anything, but I'm bound it. Wrong kind of body about a week ago. And all of my niggas get rowdy. And I'm pulling up.
Car coming. Who's whistling through the woods? Through the neck of these woods? With your doggo at? That was lit. That was lit, bro. Nah, that was it, boy.
Лісата пор, Тома, вода на чот, Томас, хачі пірот, ой, суту ватома, суту ватома, лісата пор, Тома, вода на чот, Томас, хачі пірот.
Bro got the dildo on his head.
What?
Nah, bro, it's him. All right, you guys, it's now the next day. I'm sorry that it's the next day, but yesterday I had to drop James off and then I came home, ate dinner, and slumped. I'm not even gonna lie. But today it's actually raining again. I can't even believe it. So I think me and the boys are gonna link up. I'm gonna be bringing James, aka Dusty, to go pick up his car. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that in the rain. So it should be some fun times. There are a lot of parking lots and stuff. Maybe we'll slide, but I am low on some tires, so maybe we won't. Might just be some chill vibes. We are gonna pick up Sean also because Sean is back in the mix. And yeah, he's here until January. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for next video because as you guys see, we are already going to start filming it today. So yeah, with that being said, I'll catch y'all later, man. Take it easy. Peace.